Hello, my name is Marcos Tonina. I am the CEO of Dolphins, and we will talk about how achieve quality excellence in our processes of creating software. We will start with a phrase of Henry Ford. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. And that phrase is wonderful for us because it explains what is the culture of a company that wants to do the things in the right way. What I am doing when nobody's looking, when nobody's controlling, I am doing the things right. Why? Because we are used to do the things in the right way. How we do that with methodologies. Methodologies are the way that drive us towards success in software. So we will talk about in the following slide about the problems. We see three usual problems in outsourcing. The first one is inadequate solutions. That means this software doesn't fit my needs. What are the causes? Wrong requirement gathering, and specification time is not enough. It's as easy as that. If we don't take our time to discuss and put in paper every single requirement with the client, with the customer, with the final user, we will not find a great solution at the end of the process. So we have a process of writing all the requirements in paper, and we will see more details in the following slide. The second one is unstable software. Delivered software has many errors and it is not stable. And what are the causes? Inadequate test coverage and problems with methodology. If we deliver a software that has many errors, the problem is in methodology. We don't have a methodology, a robust methodology that prevents errors and gives us an alert. We will discuss this in the following slide too. The third one, failure to meet dates. Software is not ready when it is needed. And what are the causes? Planning without methodology is the main problem, and inadequate quality assurance. Okay, we will see how we attack these three problems in our company. We have three successful processes that we apply to attack these problems. The first one is given when then. Standardized requirements gathering. The process is performed with a methodology and it is presented with real scenarios validated in the documentation. As I said before, we have a strong process and we will take our time. We fight against the anxious to start coding right now. We need to take our time to discuss with the customer, with the final user, what the user needs, what the customer needs, and we put it in paper and we are giving this paper to the client write and validate if it is correct and then gives back to us. That's the name given when then. Given these preconditions, when we perform some action, then we are expecting this result. It is easy to write and easy to understand and easy to correct. The second one is test-driven development, and that means start with the test. All our developers and teams start every single piece of code with the corresponding test. So we are very sure and we have the confidence in our code that everything is correctly tested automatically, and we have alerts when something is going wrong or is going in a way that we are not expecting. So we achieve continuous integration in that way. What is continuous integration? That means that every single piece of code that we create integrates correctly with the rest of the software. So we have alerts, as I said before. Okay, this is not correct, this is not integrating correctly with the previous software, and this is the way that we have to know that something is not working properly. So this is the way to have wonderful software with wonderful stability. Coverage, it's a way to measure the amount of line of code that is tested. We work with coverage around 95-96%, and that is wonderful, and it's the only way that we know that works with a strong software. The third one is agile estimation. Communication with product owner is the key. The key is participation of actors in the estimation stage, because many times there are some features that could be moved forward, or maybe there could be a misunderstood or an early warning on a delay. We know that there is a delay and we could not meet the dates. So the product owner should be part of the process and we could explain how we arrived to some estimation. So the key again is communication with product owner. This is the way how we fix this problem. So what is our focus? Technology works toward your needs. In Dolphins, we don't want to adapt your needs to technology, but the opposite. Each solution should adapt to your needs. We have many skills in a lot of languages and a lot of technologies, but we have the focus in the methodologies. We are not taking your need and adapting to the technology that we prefer. That's not the way. The way is what is your problem, how we attack that problem, how we will find a solution, and the technology is just a tool to achieve the solution. There is no technology that fits with all solutions. New or trendy does not mean perfect, and consolidate does not mean multi-purpose. So, what is the conclusion? Methodologies work, productive requirement meetings, give and when then, test-driven development, and many others, Scrum, Kanban, continuous integration, continuous delivery. Many other methodologies are the way to success. We are strongly focused into methodologies, and the technologies, our libraries, are just tools that give us to the success, but methodologies is the main focus of BitDolphins. So let's talk. We want to be part of the processes that bring solutions to your needs. It is possible to do it well. We know how to do it well. We are BitDolphins. We are waiting for your contact, and thank you very much for your attention.